Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so whatever video I upload you get notified. So let's start the video. Today I'm going to show you my most favorite brand, Accessorize, and I love to buy things from this brand. So let's unbox these beautiful handmade purses. So let's start the video. Watch till end and you will surely enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe my channel and do let me know that how you like these beautiful handmade purses. Thank you, keep on watching. So guys, keep on watching my videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.